Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we'll discuss a JEE Main question based on definite integral, and it also involves your odd function and even function. So let's begin. The question is, evaluate the integral x plus pi by 4 over 2 minus cos 2i's x dx from limit negative pi by 4 to pi by 4. So I am making it into two functions. One is I equals to negative pi by 4 to pi by 4. One is x over 2 minus cos 2x dx plus negative pi by 4 to pi by 4 pi by 4 over 2 minus cos 2x dx. So first integral is I1. This is I am naming y1. This is I2. See, for I1, when integrating I1 is an odd function. X over 2 minus cos 2x is odd. Why? If you put x, negative x in place of x, it will be minus of fx. So what is the use of odd function? The properties of the integral, definite integral, says that when the function is odd, minus a to a fx dx equals to 0 if fx is an odd function. So integral 1 is 0. Coming to integral 2 equals to negative pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx upon 2 minus 2 cos 2x. It can be written as 2 to 0 to pi by 4 dx by 2 minus cos 2x. What is the properties we are applying? Applying that integration of negative to a to positive a fx dx is same as 2 times of 0 to a fx dx if fx is even function. It means when f of negative x is same as fx. So I2 equals to twice pi by 4, I can take outside, 0 to pi by 4 dx over 2 minus cos 2x equals to, now you can solve it in your own way. How I am using, I will put the cos 2x as tan function. So this is 1 minus tan square x over 1 plus tan square x. This equals to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square x, which will be in the numerator, that will become 6x square x. And here we'll get 2 plus 2 tan square x. Simplifying this one, minus 1 plus tan square x. This will be 2 plus 2 tan square x. So this is equals to pi by 2 to 0 to pi by 4 k square x dx over your 3 tan square x plus 1. Now we'll take tan x as t, then its derivatives x square x dx will be dt, but you have to change the limit also. Here the lower limit is your x plus 0, that means tan x, or that is t, equals to 0. So lower limit is again 0. And when x equals to pi by 4, t equals to tan pi by 4, that will be 1. So integral 2 is becoming now pi by 2, 0 to 1 dt upon 3t square plus 1. Or this is pi by 2, 0 to 1 dt over root 3t whole square plus 1. The integration equals to pi by 2 into direct formula. I can put 1 by root 3. This is tan inverse root 3t from 0 to 1. So I2 will be pi by 2 into 1 by root 3 into tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 equals to pi by 6. Oh, sorry, pi by 3. So it will be pi over 3 root 2 into pi by 3. Step, it will be 2 root 3 pi by 3. So this will be pi square over 6 root 3 is the answer. Was it an MCQ question? No. So the answer is integration of negative pi by 4 to pi by 4 x plus pi by 4 over 2 minus cos 2x dx equals to pi square over 6 root 3. Answer. Thank you for watching.